Hey guys, you should have seen that George You Now was simply grab a book and read for 10 minutes. And just a little disclaimer, you should always have a book with you in class or at home to read just for that 10 minutes. So today what we're going to be talking about is objective summaries. We're going to do a little practice and then I have a wrap-up question for you. But your objective for today is I can identify the elements of an objective summary. I can write an objective summary. And how we're going to do that is by highlighting keywords, recognizing the who, what, when, where, why in a summary or an article, actually. And I can read an article, then write my own objective summary that includes the central idea and the 5 W's. So I'm not going to go through this whole slideshow because we've been doing Pear Deck a few times now. So when you bring up the slideshow, it is in Pear Deck student mode, and you are able to just go through the slideshows yourself and answer those questions. Make sure you're going through each slide and you're pausing on the ones that ask you to do something so that I can see how you're doing, okay? But what if you saw this question on some type of test? It says, read the article titled blank, so whatever that article was, write an objective summary about the article using text evidence. Would you know what this question is asking? Would you know how to actually write one? Okay, so what is an objective summary? On your mode here, sorry, let me go back up here. It gives you, okay, what an objective is, what a summary is, and then what it is together. So the first thing that it's going to have you do is highlight some of the words in the definition that help you understand what make an objective summary. And I'm not, again, going to go through this whole slideshow, but I wanted to point out, normally when we say our objective for the day, that means a goal that we have. But words have different meanings. And in this case, objective means not influenced by feelings or interpretation. And one way we tell the kids to remember that is objective, no opinions. Okay, so objective opinions, you don't have them in an objective summary, leave them out. Okay, so it's going to take you through the slideshow here. You're going to have some things to do. If you see Mask Up in person, you get to work with a partner in that. But if there's a Mask Up symbol there, that means you need to pause and do what it's asking of you, okay? So you'll have all these different things. And then when it comes down to it, the very last thing you're going to do is you're going to read this short little article and you're going to write a summary, okay? An objective summary. If you use slide 11, if you go back through the slides, use slide 11 as a mentor, okay, to help you write your own summary. And this is what I'm talking about here. This is an objective summary written, and this is what yours should look like. Remember what we talked about when we were talking about mentor text, is using that as an example to imitate how the structure and the style is. So use this as an example if you are stuck and still don't know how to write one, okay? But don't forget to click submit on the assignment. Make sure that you are not sharing that with your teacher. That blue submit button at the top when you are done writing your objective summary is what you need to push to turn it in. And then for your wrap up, you're going to give me 2 rules. So make sure that you go through the slideshow and that you're reading it carefully and doing all the work. So before I close this Screencastify, this video for you, I just want to remind you, okay, this is your module for today, and it goes in order. This gray bar up here, right, is the day that you're going to do it, and it has the date usually beside it. I'm not quite done with this module just yet while I'm recording this, but you'll see that it will say August 27th. SSR, okay, let me just click on that. It tells you to grab a book, and once you're done, just click next. And it takes you into this Pear Deck, the slideshow, the participation stuff. So once you go through all of the slideshow and you've completed it, you're going to click next again. Oh, and then it will take you to your assignment for the day. So your assignment is already uploaded in here. You just have to read it and write your objective summary in this box. The success criteria is right down here for you to use to help you be successful in this assignment. So there's the assignment there. You'll click next again, and this is your wrap up. When you get to the wrap up and you've answered everything, you're done for the day. Okay. I know we're still struggling with that, but if you just go to that module and follow everything underneath that module, you'll be good to go. So that is your day today. Good luck. And if you have any